Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to integrate the Airtable Zapier. So first log into your Zapier account. Zapier is a tool where you automate your tasks and workflows, and first head over to plus button, create here Zaps. The Zap is a task, so click on plus create button. Zaps, choose the trigger here. And here, head over to apps and choose for Airtable, click on Airtable. Now, just here, you need to configure some options. So search up here, just leave it as Airtable and choose the trigger event here. So new record, for example, you want to create a new record in Airtable. Choose the account of your Airtable here, so log into your Gmail account here. Choose your Gmail account, for example, click continue and allow. We've got access, add your resources to base graph access. Now that's it. After successfully configuring these options, choose also the base here. Choose your table, choose the limit view, and when you're done, click on continue. Now that's it, guys. You successfully integrated sample of Airtable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.